Okay, guys, I know a lot of you out there have a restoration project in your driveway, and you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm here with Edgar Solar at OER, and when you're looking for that part, that piece of molding, that piece of trim, something you just can't find in the junkyard, that's where this man comes in handy. Edgar, tell us about exactly what OER does.
Well, OER is original equipment reproduction, and basically we service the market by bringing restoration parts for classic cars.
So give me an example, maybe what your specialties are, or what you guys have that's hard to find.
Well, pretty much we'll go look around, and try to find voids in the market. So many different types of cars out there, and people who want to build them need parts. We kind of go around and look at making parts that are hard to find, rare cars and options and stuff. We usually like to cover that kind of stuff, so that way the enthusiasts and stuff can have something to use on their projects.
So tell me, how does the process work as you're creating these parts that haven't been manufactured for decades?
Generally, we like to go as the original. Sometimes the original tooling is available and we'll make parts off the original tooling, but a lot of times that tooling isn't available and we have to try to find prints. If prints aren't able to be found, then we'll have to reverse engineer it. And that is a long process because you have to, get numerous samples and have numerous test vehicles and, develop the part by reverse engineering it. And as OER, they like to keep an authentic appearance and fit, so we have to manufacture these parts just as the original, and that takes some time to solve how it was originally made, so that way we could deliver a really accurate part.
Yeah, they don't just look original, they're actually made in the same way as the original was.
Yeah, the same manufacturing techniques is what we try to do with every part, and that way the finish, the fit, the weight, everything feels as if you're holding an original part.
That's very cool. Now behind us on the wall there's a grill that's getting a lot of attention. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, this grill is actually one of the newest items that OER's come up with. And this is a 71 to 72 twister grill for the Mopar A body. Basically, it's a whole assembly, so now you don't have to waste your time fixing, beat up parts. You can actually come and get one of these brand new, and it's painted, fits, and looks just like the original. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of happy customers who get to use this particular part.
Yeah, a lot of guys who are tired of digging through junkyards and trying to piece things back together, they're going to be stoked. Now you've got some emblems, some of those little trim pieces as well. Tell us about that.
Okay, we've got some new emblems this year. They're kind of like a custom touch, actually, because, for years, Chevrolet owners have open element air cleaners, and they were always putting these decals on. And, when you're wiping it down, the decal gets smeared, and you got to replace it, it starts to peel up. So we ended up developing some cross flag emblems and turbojet emblems for those big block users. These are die cast and painted, and they're kind of like, 3D'd. And they're like, pretty much engineered off of drawings. So these are brand new items, and I think it's going to be a really nice, custom touch for those guys using, this type of application of an open air cleaner and this cool emblem.
Edgar, what are you guys doing to make it easy to find the parts we need?
Well, we have the website, and we also have a brand new OER catalog for 2014 that was just released.
Now tell me about, has this catalog got more stuff, new stuff, all of the above?
Well, this is the brand new catalog, and it's got hundreds of new items, for all product lines. Mopar, Tri-5, our bread and butter, Camaro, Firebird, all that stuff is available in the catalog. And like I said, there's hundreds of new items, from interior soft goods, moldings, trims, wheels, you name it, we've got your restoration needs in this book.
So very cool emblems, some cool parts, and obviously some cool cars here at the OER booth. And if you guys at home want to learn some more, you can check out oerparts.com. Edgar, thanks again.